Now to Japan, where the art market has had a turbulent ride over the past few decades, but now prices are slowly recovering from a crash after the global financial crisis. Turnover rose above $30 million in the first half of this year and is expected to overtake last year's $54 million. CCTV's Mike Firn has that story.
Still Life, an exhibition by Motoyuki Daifu featuring photographs of objects on his family's kitchen table. Daifu's work sells for around $5,000 US. Not expensive for Japan, according to gallery owners Misako and Jeffrey Rosen. But despite low prices, they say their exhibitions tend to attract the same regular collectors.
Certain work maybe is more popular amongst a wider audience, but that's not necessarily an audience of collectors. It's rather maybe an audience of younger people or an audience of people of any age that have a genuine interest in contemporary art but aren't necessarily buying it.
The Rosens say they're against affordable art of around $500 because it doesn't benefit the artists. $5,000 is the comfort zone for Japanese collectors, but those works would be considered too cheap overseas. Takashi Murakami and Yoshitomo Nara were the best-selling Japanese artists worldwide last year. Sotheby's says in Japan, size can be as much a consideration as price and reputation.
There's a slight difference between artists popular overseas and artists popular in Japan, even with the same artist. For example, with large works by Murakami, it's hard for Japanese people to enjoy them in their homes. Japanese buyers tend to prefer smaller works. Nara's works are small, and therefore they are incredibly popular in Japan.
Japanese museums are still collecting and showing larger works and supporting local artists. The Hara Museum in Tokyo opened its doors in 1979 with the aim of showcasing the best of contemporary art from Japan and overseas. Since then, it's amassed more than 1,000 works of art, and this year it's celebrating its 35th anniversary with an exhibition of some of the most influential artists from Japan, including Yayoi Kusama and On Kawara. Yoshitomo Nara even set up a studio at Hara Museum, a permanent installation called My Drawing Room. But many of his works are heading overseas. 2 pieces by Nara sold for around $1.2 million each at an auction in Hong Kong last year. Mike Firn, CCTV, Tokyo.